Introducing Accudemia 7.0 Kiosk Menu. To easily sign a student in while you are in the middle of using your Accudemia account, select the Quick Drop-down tool. Choose Sign In Station. Here a screen will pop up on the right side allowing you to log a student in while never leaving your current page. This feature lets you multitask with minimal interruption. If you choose the Setup Kiosk and Log Out button, it will take you to a separate screen where students can sign in by themselves. The administrator can either enter the student's ID number, or they can sign in by themselves and follow all the steps until confirmation of sign-in. Select the correct information to sign your student in. That's all you need to know to set up a sign-in station and sign in students in and out. Stay tuned for more updates.